Alright, this is a quick video on, for example, you've got a hard drive with hidden partitions. For example, we got here this partition here we cannot delete. Where's the mousey? There we go. So this one here I can't delete. This one I can delete, no problem. But how do you go about deleting this guy without using a partition management software? Just using what's inside Windows. Like, we can't delete this too. This is annoying. So I'll show you what you can do. What you got to do is open a command prompt in admin rights. So for example, you can either do this, or you can go type cmd, right click and open a command line in an admin mode. Okay, so we'll do it all in the command line. So what you do, you open this part and then list disks. Now be careful to select the right disk. So I'm going to select disk 2, list partition. You can see the partitions that we have, which we cannot delete. So what we're going to do is delete partition 1. Okay, select partition 1 and then delete partition. There we go. Okay, now override. There we go. Now we go list partition and then we say select partition 2 and delete partition. Okay, there we go. And list partition, no partitions. Now if you go back to disk manager, I'm going to take the hard drive out. Normally you don't want this window open when you're doing this kind of operation. Okay, what's happened to you? Okay. Alright, now we'll go back to disk management and let's see what's happening there. I've reconnected the hard drive. Let's have a look at disk management. We can see it's empty. Now we can go ahead and create what we want. Simple as that.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.